Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here, and in this video, I want to quickly show you how to preview custom field data in the email builder. So let's just go in, under traffic, emails, in this case, templates. So let's just say I have a template, right? And it has some custom values in it. So before you send out any emails, you want to preview these. You want to make sure these things, as it says here, it actually gives you a fair warning, there are going to be issues. It's not going to show their actual name, their contact first name, right? So what you want to do is you want to preview, you want to click on here, preview template, and now it shows, right? This is what's actually going to be sent. We've all made this mistake, right? So you want to fix it. So let's go in, obviously we go in and fix it, and let's save it. And we want to fix things, we want to preview them for as long as, so until we have it fixed, right? Now it auto populates, we can actually preview contact info, we can change it. Let's do Hawk, right? So it's the name changes, so we know that that's all good. Because sometimes, like either on the Google Doc or where the copy was, maybe you copy it over, something didn't copy properly, or maybe you set up the email and something went wrong, right? So you always want to make sure that these things are proper. And that's why you do the email previews, because you don't want to send out an email to 10,000 people and it just has like this weird broken thing in it, right? So that's kind of it's a quick thing. That's why you do like the previews, test emails, all that stuff. This is what you do them for. Even if you have 10, 15, 20 years of experience, people make mistakes. So always preview this. So yeah, that's a quick one. Make sure to always do this every time you send emails, like email broadcasts, whatever. Always check this, or when you set up emails, email templates and whatnot, always preview this. And in case you have any questions, let's save it first and let's head back. Make sure to reach out. 24/7 chat support as per usual. Just let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Or if you're a VIP client, over here, schedule a VIP call if you have more than one or two questions. But if you don't have any questions, then I will see you in the next video. Bye.